I find the biggest mistake in interior design to be the one that you basically in a hurry to decorate. I feel like the more time you take, the less mistake you will make.
In the 8th episode of Human Made Homes, we travel to Marseille to explore the home of Parysatis, a space where Mediterranean design comes to life in its purest form. Mediterranean interiors are all about warmth, texture, and a deep connection to nature. In Parysatis' home, sun-washed whites, rich blues, and earthy neutrals come together playfully to reflect the sea and the sky. Natural materials like wood, linen, and stone bring an organic, timeless feel. Light flows effortlessly through arched doorways, and every object has a story, making the space both elegant and deeply personal. Parysatis is also a recent transplant to Marseille, and she has wholeheartedly embraced this new life. Inspired by her surroundings, she's not only creating a home that embodies the Mediterranean spirit, but she also founded Harmony Homes, her investment company that brings the same beauty to others. And there's a hidden gem in her home that I cannot wait to share with you all. This episode premieres next Thursday, right here on my channel. If you love Mediterranean interiors, you'll also want to check out Carine's Parisian apartment. It's another take on Mediterranean design, but with a bold 1970s Italian twist. Carine's home is filled with earthy tones, rich textures, and a warmth that mirror the spirit of the South. New episodes of Human Made Homes are coming to you 3 times a month. So, whether you are new here or a longtime subscriber, you can join the conversation in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. You can also catch up on past episodes anytime on my channel, Abra, DaGraça. I'm Abra, and this is Human Made Homes. Together, let's keep exploring what it truly means to feel at home.